Like most people, you probably search the internet for ideas about making money. There are so many ways to make money on the internet, and it can be hard to figure out the right one for you. Fiverr is an excellent resource for finding creative ideas that can help you make some extra cash. With a few simple steps, you can easily find and complete tasks that cost just $5. This platform allows users to share their skills and services with others who need them and offers a range of opportunities for those with creativity and an online presence. Whether you're a professional artist or looking for a quick project, Fiverr has something for you. If you're new to the Fiverr platform, it's essential to understand that it can be used as a place for you to sell your services. As a seller, you'll be able to list your services in the marketplace and earn money by completing tasks that users need. To start, you will be required to create an account on Fiverr.com. This is where you can view what's available and complete tasks within the platform. And to keep your account active, you must stay logged in during your working hours daily. After creating an account, you are then required to create a profile. This is where you can upload your picture and information about yourself, where you live, what kind of work you do, and the types of projects you do. Once created, your profile will then be available to view on Fiverr.com. If you're a freelancer, you know that many lucrative seller categories are out there. Whether you're looking for creative writing services, pet sitting, or just some general help with tasks. If you are a skilled person, there are plenty of opportunities to make money on Fiverr. I have listed some of the high-paying services below. If you're a graphic designer, Fiverr is an excellent platform. Graphic designers also work with clients in the digital space, so they create beautiful images and documents for their clients. You can send your projects to Fiverr or do them yourself. If you know the fundamentals of graphic designing, I would suggest you also review NFT gigs. NFT artwork is the highest-paying demanding service of 2022. One unique design can be sold for up to $50 to even $500, depending on the uniqueness and creativity. So if you think it fits you, then you are good to go. This guide is for those looking to sell website development services online. There are a variety of ways to market and sell your services, but one of the most effective methods is through Fiverr. There are a number of potential clients out there who are likely looking for quality website development services, and Fiverr has made it easy for professionals to find and connect with these potential customers. For a simple task, top-rated sellers charge up to $10, and for comprehensive, the rate may vary, but on averagely, it's $3,000. Translating is one of the most common tasks that people face, whether for a simple document or an entire project. Translation services are perfect for those who need help. The Fiverr site is full of people who need help with various tasks, and there is always room for new translators to join the community. You can also find many different services on Fiverr if you need the perfect translation for your project, making it an excellent option for those who need quality translation services. Finally, ensure you keep your prices reasonable to compete with other translation service providers. Top-selling translators charge up to $400 for a job. Copywriting services are a necessary part of any business. You can write high-quality, persuasive content that can drive leads and sales. If you don't have the time or resources to create your content, you can find a copywriting service on Fiverr too. But if you are a skilled person, there are a variety of ways to sell your writing services on Fiverr. In the past, people have written articles, created designs, or done other things to market their services. However, newer and more effective methods can be used to market your writing services. One effective way to sell your writing service is to create videos. Create a video of your work and upload it to YouTube. You can also create a website video showing off your result. Additionally, it would be best if you had some ideas for your services. For example, if you offer only non-fiction writing, you might want to consider topics like science fiction or history. If you provide fantasy, then you might want to consider issues like mystery or suspense. As a copywriter, you can write blog content or posts, website landing pages, author books, or you can review products. There are also many other things to do. A top-selling copywriter charges $800 to create a brand story. HR consulting is a valuable service that can be sold on Fiverr. When marketing this service, it is important to understand the different types of customers who are interested in using it and the different prices available for it. If you can attract these customers and make an appealing offer to them, you will likely be successful in selling your service. A single-month consultation gig can let you earn $1,000. The first type of customer is one that you want to target because they have a certain level of familiarity with your service. They probably already know what you do and are familiar with your company. In this case, Fiverr would be a perfect fit for this type of customer. The next type of customer you want to target is because they have a specific need you can satisfy. They might be looking for an online photo editing service, or perhaps they want personalized newsletters. The last type of customer is one that you want to target because they don't know anything about your service. They might be looking for a remote work solution, or perhaps they'd want an email address. Before you start working on Fiverr, understand your rights as a user. This includes understanding that you cannot earn money beyond what you receive in payments from sellers, and that any earnings you make will only last until you either complete a sale or expire. Additionally, remember that any items you offer on Fiverr must meet the same quality standards as those other sellers offer. When it comes to getting more orders on Fiverr, you can do a few things to increase your chances of successful outcomes. First, use the right keywords when searching for services. Consider using Fiverr's features to make your job easier and ensure you have the correct contact information for each customer. Be creative and submit unique offers. Be persistent and stay in touch with your customers. Be efficient and follow through with your orders as soon as possible. Ensure you have the right tools and techniques to manage your order process. Always be on time for every order. Fiverr offers a variety of opportunities and experiences to complete your daily business needs. Even if you are just an average person with a small business, Fiverr can still help you to increase your productivity and income. To help guarantee payment, Fiverr assigns 80% of a buyer's funds to your account. You have the freedom to work with clients all over the world. You can earn tips. It's a good way for beginners to launch a business since most tasks are easy to complete. Buyers aren't verified. Competition is stiff, and many sellers underprice their services. Fiverr deducts 20% of sellers' earnings, including tips. It takes 14 days for Fiverr to clear profits, 7 days for top sellers. In conclusion, there are a few things to remember when looking for lucrative seller categories on Fiverr. Be sure to research the sellers in the class to get a good sense of what they offer. Be sure to list your items in a way that will catch the attention of potential buyers. Please provide enough information about your product or service to ensure buyers know what they're getting before bidding. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss our upcoming videos. We will meet you again in the next video soon. Thank you for watching.